In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent, may the peace and blessings of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala be on all of us. Assalamu alaikum students. Now today I will start a new unit number 11, work and energy. So first we will discuss about work. Now what is work? It is done when an object is moved to some distance by the application of force. What is work? जब किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट पर फोर्स अप्लाई की जाती है तो वो ऑब्जेक्ट मूव करता है और कुछ डिस्टेंस कवर करता है तो उसे वर्क कहा जाता है. और यू कैन से वर्क इज डन ओनली when the body on which the force acts move in the direction of the force. Now what is energy? Energy is defined as the capability of doing work, or you can say it is the ability to do work. वर्क करने की एबिलिटी को एनर्जी कहा जाता है. So do you know about work and energy? Energy and work are interrelated because no work can be done without using energy. So there are many forms of energy such as mechanical energy, heat energy, chemical energy, sound energy, light energy, electrical energy, magnetic energy, nuclear energy and solar energy. One by one I will discuss here. The first one is mechanical energy. Now what is mechanical energy? Mechanical energy of an object due to its motion or position. For example, I'm moving a car. When a car is moving from one place to other, it possesses mechanical energy into its motion. And secondly, an aeroplane above the earth's surface possesses mechanical energy into its position. So there are two forms of mechanical energy, potential energy and kinetic energy. So you can say the sum of the potential energy and kinetic energy is known as mechanical energy. Have you got it? Now potential energy. The energy possessed by a body of its position or change in its shape is known as potential energy. For example, stretch rubber, stretch string, except this balloon, hammer and drone. Remember, potential energy is the energy of an object due to its position and height in a force field. Have you got it? These are the examples of potential energy. Now the second one, kinetic energy. What is kinetic energy? The energy possessed by a body of its motion is known as kinetic energy. For example, in cricket match, when you hit the ball start moving. So this moving ball possesses kinetic energy. And same as clock and moving a car. So what is kinetic energy? जब कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट मूव कर रहा होता है तो उसके अंदर कौन सी एनर्जी होती है? काइनेटिक एनर्जी होती है. Now the next is heat energy. Now what is heat energy? It is a form of energy which can be used to carry out different works and can also be converted into other forms of energy. It is produced by burning and all also in some chemical reaction. For example, take a container with water, cover it with a lid, and heat it till the water starts boiling. Do you notice something? The lid moves up and down when the water boils. Why? It is due to the heat energy of the steam. So we can say that heat is also a form of energy. Now the next is chemical energy. Energy stored in the bonds of chemical compounds is known as chemical energy, and it may be released during a chemical reaction. Now take a matchstick, strike it against a matchbox. Now what happens? It burns and gives us heat and light. Same as coal burning. So there is energy locked in the molecules of its compound. When these molecules take parts in a chemical chain, a part of this energy is released. So this energy is known as chemical energy. Now sound energy. It is the movement of energy through a substance such as air or water in the form of waves. It is produced when a force causes an object or substance to vibrate. So what happens when an aeroplane passes over your house or when loud thunder occurs? In all these cases, you feel the windows and doors of the house rattling. Why? This is because of the energy in the sound of the aeroplanes or thunder. So sound is also a form of energy. When you listen to music, you feel the vibration. So vibration produce a sound, right? आप मेरे लेक्चर को सुन रहे हैं तो किस एनर्जी के थ्रू सुन रहे हैं? साउंड एनर्जी के थ्रू. जब हम बात करते हैं तो कौन सी एनर्जी यूज हो रही होती है? साउंड एनर्जी. हैव यू गॉट इट? नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज लाइट एनर्जी. इट इज अ फॉर्म ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक रेडिएशन. Light travels in waves and it is the only form of energy visible to the human eye. Light energy is a form of energy and the source of light is sun, bulb, LED light, candle. These all are the examples of light energy. And light energy for plant. So light energy is also useful for plant for making food. Now the next is electrical energy. Electricity is also a form of energy which is derived from electric potential energy or kinetic energy. Electrical energy is produced by the movement of electrons, for example lightning and electricity. Computer, LED, laptop, mobile, fridge, TV, they all have electrical energy, right? Now magnetic energy. A magnet also possesses energy. It can also be produced by passing electric current through metals like iron. In many factories, scrap iron is separated from a heap of waste materials by using big electromagnets fitted to a crane. Now we will learn about nuclear energy. It is also known as atomic energy. Atoms have a lot of energy stored in their nuclei. This energy is used in nuclear power station to produce electricity. Huge amount of nuclear energy is released during the explosion of an nuclear bomb or hydrogen bomb. Even the sun gets its heat and light energy from nuclear energy. Now the last is solar energy. The sun is our main source of energy. The energy obtained from it is known as solar energy, which is a form of light energy. Using the sun's energy to generate electricity, आपने सोलर पैनल्स देखे होंगे जो डिफरेंट इंडस्ट्रीज़ में यूज़ हो रहे हैं, घर में यूज़ हो रहे हैं. Using the sun's energy to generate electricity. And solar calculator, it is also an example of solar energy. And except this, the green leaves of plants use solar energy to make their food. In our daily life, we also use solar energy to run various electronic instruments. This is all about work, energy, and forms of energy. So today you learned about the forms of energy such as mechanical energy, potential energy, kinetic energy, heat energy, chemical energy, sound energy, light energy, electrical energy, magnetic energy, nuclear energy, and solar energy. Now the last is home task. Short questions. Question number 1. What is meant by the term work in physics? Name and define the unit of work. Question number 4. What is the relationship between work and energy? Long questions. Question number 2. Define the term energy. Name and briefly discuss its different forms. Question number 3. Mention 2 forms of mechanical energy. This is enough for today, and I will continue the chapter in next class. Take care. Allah Hafiz.